You have snow on your nose? What's on your nose? Huh? Say hi, YouTube. Hey friends, hey fam, what's poppin'? I hope you guys are doing so super well today. Staying hydrated, staying warm, checking in with your friends, your family, your heart, your mind. Don't forget. My name's Janae and I post lifestyle and home decor videos right here on YouTube. And today we are gonna do part 2 of the Christmas decor series, and we're gonna go to the living room this time. This is what our living room space currently looks like. Put on some flames for you guys to set the mood. And my mom has these beautiful shelves over here, a lovely mantle, things I did not have in New York. So I'm so excited to decorate all of this. My goal with the holiday decorations this year is to do more of a minimal, neutral look. I think that's just been a style I have fallen in love with over the past couple of years. We really don't have too much to do, but there are a few DIYs. That's about it. Yeah, we just have a few little knickknacks to put up. Who doesn't love a little knickknack, sneaky snack snack? The goal is to decorate the mantle with some, what is that stuff called? Not greenery. The stuff that drapes over it. Oh my gosh, it's driving me crazy. Garland. So my goal is to put some garland here, boop, boop, boop. And then put some little like trees and things there. And I'm gonna put a little wreath there that we're gonna DIY and another wreath there that we're gonna DIY. I don't know. We'll see what comes together. We're gonna wing it, and we're gonna wing it together. Who's excited? Are you excited? Because I'm so jazzed. Super pumped. Super Ooh, Mom. Come look at the fairy lights. Oh, aren't those pretty? Nice. I like them. Okay. Okay, so the mantle area is done. I really like how it turned out. I think the colors are still festive, and I think the little decor items are just the perfect touch. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, but for now, we are gonna move on to the next project. you've been following me for a while, you know my lazy tendencies, and if you can relate, love you. If you can't relate, I still love you. That was so easy. It took me about 10 minutes to do, and the ornaments that were clear I found at Hobby Lobby for $7.99. Oh, you have snow on your nose? What's on your nose? Huh? Say hi, YouTube. Hi, you're a sweet girl. Yeah, sweet girl. All you need for this next decor idea is a little basket. She's cute. Yeah. Do we like her? I think we like her. Love how this turned out, and they are just such a cute little duo. And if you live in an apartment, this is a great way to add a tree to your space, but for it not to take up too much space. If you want to add some height, you could put it on a bench or a little side table or even a chair or a stool, anything just to make it feel a little bit taller. We are the kids of America. Whoa! Does anyone else always get that song stuck in their head? Like, I haven't listened to that song since 2002, but it is in my head at least twice a week. What? For the next little lazy gal DIY, I was inspired by this wreath, and it's metal at the top and then there's greenery at the bottom. I thought it was really, really adorable. So I got some metal rings. I tried to make them this color, but the spray paint I bought was not that color at all, and it actually still looks similar to the original color. All we're going to do is cut some more wintry looking greenery, the eucalyptus, this faux pine, and whatever the heck this is, and these little berries, and we're gonna add them to this. So you could tie a ribbon to the bottom of the wreath just to add some more charm and, I don't know, character, so just like this. But I decided I'm not gonna do that. I think for me it just looks a little like a, I don't know, wedding or something. So I'm actually gonna take that off. But just another idea in case it tickles your fancy. Okay, the wreaths are up and they're nothing too crazy, but I like them. They're pretty cute. I definitely think they look a little fairy girl, like they could be, I don't know, at a wedding or something really dainty, but like Christmas can be dainty. I think I like them. They're cute-ish. We don't have our actual Christmas tree up just yet. That's something my mom and I usually like to do together, and I think I want that just to be the two of us without me having to vlog. But I'll definitely be posting pictures of it, and you will see it in future videos, I'm sure. I'm not really gonna do much more than this. Just gonna add a little ladder and our advent calendar. And then I think that's pretty much it. And I'll swap out these florals to be more holiday.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter. It is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
You guys, I don't think I could be any more jazzed than I currently am. We are finally done with this project. I love making these videos and I had a lot of fun doing this, but it is exhausting. Decorating, filming at the same time. You know, we out here, we new to this, so whatever. You understand. But anyway, I hope that you found some of these tips and little lazy girl DIYs helpful. Also would love to hear some of the ideas or some of the decor things you're implementing in your home this holiday season. Comment that down below, and if we are not already connected, what you doing? Why? We should be connected. Subscribe, like this video, and then hit me up on Instagram. Let's be IG friends. Why not? Thanks so much for watching this video. You guys are the best, and I hope you have the best day. Love ya. Bye.